Today I have a surprise for you. Can you guess what it is? Think. Now close your eyes. Now open your eyes. Tada! Here is your surprise. I have a farm where I have so many animals. Bye. See you, sheep. The spelling of sheep is S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. You give me milk, I gave you grass to eat. Bye, cow. The spelling of cow is C-O-W. Cow. Hey donkey, you carry a lot of it. Now take rest. Bye donkey. The spelling of donkey is D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Hi horses. You run as fast as me. Bye horses. The spelling of horse is H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Hey hen and rooster. Your eggs are about to hatch. Soon I will have new friends. Bye hen and rooster. The spelling of hen is H-E-N. Hen. The spelling of rooster is R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Hey Biggie, are you enjoying your muddy puddle? Bye Piggy. The spelling of pig is P-I-G. Pig. Thanks for saving my farm from enemies. Bye doggy, keep it up. The spelling of dog is D-O-G, dog. Hey rabbit, do you have anything special for me on the ground? But I have something special for you. You know what? That's carrot. Eat rabbit, eat. Bye-bye, rabbit. Rabbit, bye-bye. The spelling of rabbit is R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Watching. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.